Hello guys and welcome to Dingus. So I've seen this game around and I'm pretty sure it's about like kind of like a hide and seek kind of thing. Basically you have to pretend to be an NPC while a guy in a cowboy hat tries to kill you. Okay, so you have to do these tasks. Laugh at the goober. Okay, I gotta go laugh at the goober. Okay, they're guarding that area. I don't really want to laugh at the goober. Okay, we gotta laugh at the goober. Look at this NPC action. Alright, gotta dance. Alright, that's dance. I'm just gonna take a loop around so he doesn't fucking find me. Okay. This game is high fucking quality, bro. Oh, watch me dance. Watch me hit. Oh shit. Oh my god. Holy shit. Something I don't know. The fuck does that mean? Okay, so it's on the street, so I'm just gonna go find it. Okay. So I guess the developers like fucking ran out of ideas here. Celebrate, yippee, rock. Where the fuck is that, bro? Gotta find a rock, I guess. Shouldn't take too long. I don't know, this game reminds me of something, like another game. Yippee! 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 Break the vending machine. Okay, look at my NPC. Let's go! Let's go, we won! They couldn't find us! This is why we're the best! There is a sprint ball. Okay, laugh at the goober. Let's go. Pretty easy, actually. You have to act like an NPC. Holy shit, that guy just exploded in front of me. Can NPCs also do this? Holy shit. Bro, why do they keep turning into like random colored blocks? That's so random. Okay, I'm gonna wave at the goober. Bro, oh, okay, so, is it over there? Okay, it's over there, it's over there. Ooh. Making ourselves over there. Oh, this guy needs to chill, bro. None of those guys are like fucking guilty. He's just shooting random people. Like, do you like getting shot? Look at that. He fucking died. Rest in peace to my man. Like, what's the lore behind this game? Is it like robots take over the planet and the government has sent cowboys from the past to search for these robots? You gotta look into the fridge. Destroy the street light. I think he's onto me. He's onto me. He's fucking onto me. Never mind. No, he's fucking on me. Get the fuck away. I'm just dancing, bro. Just let me dance. Let's go! You guys sucked! Your ass! Okay, laugh at the goober. Gotta go laugh at the goober. Where is the goober, bro? Where is he? Oh, bro. I don't really like that, bro. I don't really like how you're just pointing the gun at, like, wave at Gobredo. Is that? Please. No! Fuck you! Okay, I didn't mean all of that, but he just blew my head apart, you know. I don't really like people who shot me in the face, you know. They're all bunched together here, bro. They're all here. Can you like distract them? Can I do something, please? Please, I want to help. Please, I'm not a useless piece of shit, please. I guess these white outlines are the actual real people, so we got this man here. You better win. JK 03. Mutt here. Mutt. Ak2. These guys better win. If they don't win, I'm blaming it all on them. I know I fucking died, but like, I don't care. Okay, I don't care. Gin Panda 2. But we got Sword Son, Soul. The I mean, my name is fucking goofy as shit. I think it's fine for them to have weird ass names. Like, mine makes sense. Like, my name, shit. Just as in like I'm a guy, and I forgot this one. But like, I know I made that with like at least 2 of my brain cells working. Okay, got IDK scream at the cashier. Cashier? What the fuck's a... Bro, what's a cashier? Oh, but that's a fucking mirror. Okay. Oh my god. Mutt just died. Mutt. You... Who's alive? Oh shit. Uh-oh. That's bad. Uh-oh. He's camping there. No, bro. You suck. He was camping there. You could have waited a bit longer, but you know. Okay, got Demon. Demon is left. Let's go, Demon. Come on. We're counting on you, Demon. Okay, he's going to the store. He's going to the store. Okay, he's going to the cashier. Yeah, he's going to the cashier. Yeah, stupid ass. He deserves a raise, by the way. I think he deserves. Oh my god. Yeah, he does. He definitely deserves a raise. He's like, okay, that's good. This guy definitely deserves a raise. Look, he's getting covered in guts and body parts, bro. He deserves a raise. Oh, how did he? How did he didn't even die, bro? Can I be a hunter? Yes, yes. Oh, okay. Shift to pull it out. Or I'm gonna find you guys. In the boat. Oh shit, bro! I can't memorize all these stuff, bro. Hey, no. That was on purpose, guys. I just want to test it out how the gun looks. I'm a pro at this. How many times I can shoot someone before I get arrested? Let's find out. Alright, I'm just gonna pretend I'm doing something. First, I'm just gonna camp here. I'm just gonna see anybody who's acting a bit suspicious. Whoa. Whoa. Oh. Well, I fucking murdered random people. I swear to God he was one of them, okay? I swear to God. I swear to God, guys.